Our guest today is delivering this our management school. This is our management school. 16 years consecutive we are getting our magazine. It is a novel one. I request students to give their writing when students are not interested. But this is a novel one. I request students next year you just submit your writing, because earlier this magazine was totally thin, now it has become thin. Thank you very much. Now we will distribute our prize money. Let us do some one. Mr. Bhakti Jana to distribute the prize, then other guests will come. Optional Parveen reading in class 9, 8 excellent in class 1. Optional please come. Quick, hurry up. Srijoni Sarkar reading in class 9, 8 excellent in class 1. Srijoni please come. Has Srijoni come? Srijoni. Has Srijoni come? No. Devjani Vera reading in class 12 got 20 excellent. Devjani. Excellent physical fitness in our picnic, A grade, cultural performance, essay contest part. Neha Kundu, our ex-student, got A grade in physical performance and cultural performance. Neha, please come. Sarthak Das appeared in Madhyamik this year, got 28 excellent and physical performance A grade. Sarthak, please come. Please let them come. Please make the way to come here. Sukaprada Ghosh reading in class 7. Then she was reading 7. Now she is reading in 7. Got 88 excellent essay contest pass. Sukaprada, please come. Thank you. Somit Dabdo reading in class 9 got 95 excellent physical performance brigade essay contest 4 and 1 special prize. Somit, please come. Paulami Maiti reading in class 9 got 132 excellent in class 1 physical performance and 1 special prize. Second highest excellent. San Karmuka reading in class 9 got 78 excellent in class 1 quiz contest and physical performance. San, please come. San. Swami Banerjee reading in class 10 got 33 excellent. Sri Puja examination English 81% and physical performance in picnic A grade. Swami Sil reading in class 9 got 35 excellent in class 1. Shubham Mistry appeared in Madhyamik examination this year, got 30 excellent and in picnic physical performance A. Shobhik Modi reading in class 8 got 30 excellent and physical performance B. Shelsi Chakravarti reading in 8 got 17 excellent. Shelsi has become Purnima Ram and take your first prize. Purnima, please take the Shelsi prize. Shelsi called me. Hello Purnima De. Where is Purnima De? Are quick. This is perfect text prize. Somosrita reading in 5 got 8 excellent in class 1. Somosri, please come. Autonomous Monik reading in 10 got 12 excellent and physical performance B grade. Autonomous, please come. Quick, hurry up. Rosukas appeared in Madhyamik examination this year. Cultural performance, drawing, event and physical performance A. Rosun, please come. Shivli Das reading in class 10, 30 excellent in class 1 and cultural performance A grade. Shivli, please come. Kaushik Gandhi reading in 10 got 27 excellent physical performance A grade. Kaushik, please come. Souvik Dev reading in 11 got 114 excellent and transcription contest. He won transcription contest also. Sabota Ayil reading in 12 got 30 excellent physical performance A grade. We take the Sabota prize. Sabota is the 8th candidate this year. Her brother will take prize. Omkita reading in 12 got 21 excellent physical performance and cultural A. Omkit's sister will take. Omkit is higher secondary candidate this year. Krishna Das reading in 12 got 34 excellent special prize physical performance A. Spoken English 80, Tripuja English examination 83. He is also HS candidate who will take Krishna Das prize. Krishna Das told to whom? Someone to take Krishna Das prize. Devosmita Oleg reading in 9 got 50 excellent in class 1. Devosmita, please come. Saurabh, please let them come. Shubhajit Roy appeared in Madhyamik examination this year, got 26 and Shubhajit, please come. Quick. Shantita Mondo, next student, got 8 physical performance and cultural program. Shantita, I think not yet come. He is also HS candidate. Soili Mollik reading in junior spoken English and got 5th position in girls event and 8th grade in physical performance quiz contest 6. Soili's father has come. Soili, come here. Srijani Sil reading in class 9 got 100 excellent. Srijani, please come. Okay, thank you. Take rest. Anubhav, please come. Now I will request Anubhav to distribute. Anana Jana reading in class 8 got 51 excellent and essay contest picked. Srijita Das reading. Have one announcement. It's my request to all that don't open the prize, we give back it here. Don't open, never open here, take it home. Because they will make the place dirty. So here they should not open the gift. They will take it home and thereafter they will open. Srijita Das reading in 9 got 142 excellent, the highest number of excellent in class 1. Special prize, Srijita. Thank you. Raja Sir reading in 8 got 87 excellent, physical performance B, quiz contest 6. Raja, please come. Soham Dev reading in 11 got 96 excellent and on the tongue twister content held on Mahasospi. Sayan Day appeared in Madhyamik examination this year, got 8 excellent and boys women fast and physical performance A grade. Ipom Rai reading in 9 got 69 excellent, physical performance B. Swati Ghosh reading in 8 got 66 excellent, physical performance A, cultural A, quiz contest 4. Misu Ghosh reading in 9 got 80 excellent, quiz contest and physical performance. Another case will distribute the prize. Papadito Kamsomani reading in 10 got 43 excellent. I think Papadito has not come. His friend will take the prize. Somo Kumar Das reading in senior spoken English band got 80% in spoken English and physical performance and cultural performance A grade. Somo, please come. Isika Raha reading in 7 got 32 excellent in class 1. Isika, please come. Srijita Ghosh reading in junior spoken English band got cultural performance A grade, quiz contest, physical fitness A, on the tongue twister and essay contest second. Ahorsi Chakravarti reading in 6 got 8 excellent, essay contest second. I think Ahorsi has not come. Pristhy Chakravarti reading in 11 got 125 excellent, Madhyamik 21 90% and 88% Puja FJ on tongue twister. Pristhy got 90% in last year Madhyamik. Rupam Ghosh reading 10 got 23 excellent, physical performance B. Rupam, please come. Quick. Dipanita Pal appeared in Madhyamik examination this year, got 27 excellent. Dipanita, please come. Has Dipanita appeared? Dipanita has Dipanita appeared? Praniti Dev reading in 10 got 34 excellent, physical fitness B and cultural A. Praniti, please come. Asabita Doctor reading in 11 got 98 excellent, Madhyamik examination last year 80%, physical performance B, cultural and essay contest pass. Asabita, please come. I request Priyanka Kundu, please come to distribute some prizes to our students. Madhusi Bhattacharya, 8 student got first prize in tongue twister and second. Madhusi has not come. Somo, please come. Somo, please take the Madhusi and Officer prize. First you take the Madhusi prize. Reju sir reading in 10 got 48, 40 excellent and physical performance quiz contest 5th and special prize. Shubhajit Ghosh reading in 9 got 49 excellent in class 1. So, hello, please and those who are magazine writer, they will take the magazine and go. Otherwise you will not get the magazine. Somadip Samanto appeared in Madhyamik this year, got 86 excellent, points event, physical performance, essay contest start. Somadip Samanto, please come. You are waiting there, you are not hearing. Sita Banerjee reading in 12, got 15 excellent. Sita is HS candidate, I think has not come. No. Sucharita Pal reading in 8 got 34 excellent in class 1. Sucharita, please come. Jagosini Bhattacharya reading in 12 got 78 excellent. Trippuja 82%. Trippuja cultural and boys event, girls event and thick. The essay contest joining. Jagosini is the HS candidate. Her elder sister will take the prize. She is also my ex-student. What's your name? Devanuti Bhattacharya. She is also my ex-student. Okay. Sneha Paul. She is our case today. Got 93% in higher secondary examination in English last year. Won the tongue twister in physical fitness. A-grade cultural, A-grade girls event, essay contest second. She has got the special prize from me. Anushka Chakraborty reading in 12 got 52 excellent. Trippuja examination in FPL 80%. Essay contest 5th, jointly on with others. Anushka's father will take the prize because he is a candidate. Kiti Mondol reading in 10 got 88 excellent in cultural A and physical performance. Kiti has not come. She is sick. Her brother will take the prize. Amrita Mukherjee reading in 9 got 67 excellent. On tongue twister, physical performance BAC contestant. Hello. Riti Saha reading in 10 got 88 excellent. Riti, please come. Now I will take you, Priyanka, you will take your seat. Now Jumbo Das, another guest will come to distribute the prize. Sukriti Das last year got 82 in higher secondary. Sukriti has not come. Sukriti's brother will take the prize on her behalf. Biplab Bhaumik last year Madhyamik candidate got 90% in English, one tongue twister and 90 excellent essay contest 4. 90% marks they have got in a club. Bausumi Vishwas reading in senior spoken English class got 80% in spoken English quiz contest second, essay contest third. Bausumi, please come. Prithendu Chatterjee got 80%, above 80% in spoken English, physical performance A grade. Ketan, please come. Monisha Bhattacharya has not come on her behalf. Her brother will come. Monisha got 45 excellent physical performance B, cultural and tongue twister, and 80% in Tripuja and essay contest third. Please take the Monisha prize. Oh, some waited. Srijon Das appeared Madhyamik examination PCR got 86 excellent. Got 86 excellent. Tripuja and spoken English 90%, essay contest first. Soumi Dhara reading in senior spoken English batch got first position in essay contest 90% in Tripuja spoken English examination. Soumi is a very good student. Soumi got 96% in high secondary in her time. Still that is highest mark. Sneha Kundu reading in class 9 got 84 excellent on tongue twister, essay content first, physical performance A, cultural A, and one special prize. K.R. Das reading in 11 got 58 excellent and got 90% in Madhyamik examination last year. K.R. sister will take cash prize. Thank you. What is your name? Okay, thank you. Obhinava Mahapatra reading in 5 got 12 excellent. Obhinava come. Has Obhinava? Yes, come. Arifa Naz reading in 9 got 12 excellent in class 1. Reading in 11 got 19 excellent in class 1. Now. Devanjana got reading in 10 got 20 excellent in class 1. Devanjana, please come. Riya Sarkar got for Riya has not come, HS candidate. Sohini goes reading in 10 got 17 excellent in class 1. Sohini, please come. Monojit reading in 8 got 10 excellent and physical performance B. Monojit, please come. Samia Parveen reading in 9 got 10 excellent class 1. Subhajit Das reading in 6 got 5 excellent in class 1. Subhajit Das, please come. Roop reading in 7 got 5 excellent. I think Roop has not come. Soumi Mitra reading in 9 got 9 excellent. Sudipto Saha reading in 8 got 16 excellent. Sar Mondal reading in 8 got 21 excellent. Tanushree there reading in 6. I think Tanushree has not come. Rahul Roy reading in 10 got 15 excellent. Akash Roy reading in 8 got 18 excellent. Swarnavu Saha reading in 8 got 26 excellent. Snehasri Nafa reading in 5 got 8 excellent. Ipsita Ghosh reading in 7 got 12 excellent. Sridhar is not coming. Somrati Mukherjee rating in 8 got 10 excellent. Let's end our prize distribution. Now please wait. Who are negative will get the magazine. We will call the name and we will give you the magazine.